How to install Iptv Smarters Pro on Roku television. Now, Roku doesn't officially allow third-party apps like Iptv Smarters Pro on the Roku channel store. But there's a workaround using screen mirroring. First, on your Roku TV, go to Settings, System, Screen Mirroring, and set it to always allow. Next, grab your phone or computer. On Android, install Iptv Smarters Pro from the Google Play Store. On iPhone, you'll need to get it from the App Store. Set up your Iptv login details inside the app. Now, connect your phone and Roku TV to the same Wi-Fi network. On your phone, swipe down and tap Screencast or AirPlay. Choose your Roku device and your phone's display will mirror directly to your TV. Open Iptv Smarters Pro on your phone and it will now play on your Roku TV screen. And that's it. While Roku doesn't support direct installation, screen mirroring gives you full access to Iptv Smarters Pro.